Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at the Orthopedic Residency program at OrthoVirginia Physical Therapy. Our program consists of weekly didactic lectures, skills labs, faculty mentoring time, and monthly journal clubs, all based on advancing clinical skills in the specialty of orthopedics. In this video, we're highlighting some of the techniques residents have learned for assessment and treatment of cervical spine conditions. Here we're demonstrating the cervical joint position test, used to assess a patient's proprioceptive ability in the cervical spine. The patient is completing a cervical joint movement and attempting to accurately relocate their head position to a neutral point on the target with their eyes closed. The displacement from the laser beam to the target is being measured to provide a degree of proprioceptive impairment. Next, we are demonstrating treatment for cervical spine impairments by asking the patient to trace patterns with the laser to improve joint position sense through visual feedback. Follow along for more insights into the OV residency program and get a closer look at the hands-on training that helps our residents grow into skilled orthopedic clinicians.